Multicam editing in DaVinci Resolve. Let's go. Here, I have two clips. The first one was shot from my mobile phone and the other one is a screen recording. To get started, select all the clips, right-click and click Create New Multicam Clip using selected clips. Give it a name, for example, Main Footage. Next, you can adjust the frame rate to match your footage. In my case, I always leave it as is. Now, this is important, the angle sync. If you want all your clips in the multicam to start at the same time, choose in. If you want them to align perfectly at the end, choose out. But if your clips were recorded separately and have slightly different start or end times, maybe off by a second or even just a split second, and they share the same audio, then you should select sound. So basically, in is for clips that all start together, out is for clips that end together, and sound is for clips that need to be synced using their audio. The rest, most of the time, I leave it untouched. Now click Create. Now, this is the multicam clip you created. Go ahead and drag it in your timeline. Now what I want to do is show a second screen to show all the angles inside our multicam footage. To do this, close your inspector window. Once you close it, you will see this small icon which is dual viewer mode. Click it. Then you now have a second screen. Under your first playback, click this small drop down arrow. Click multicam. These are the angles inside your multicam footage. If you play your timeline, it all run at the same time. So you see all happenings on all your footage. Now count from left to right. So this is the angle 1 and this is angle 2. You need to remember that. To switch angle in your video clip, make sure you select your multicam clip. Press Alt plus the angle you want to show. So for example, angle 1, press Alt 1. So for angle 2, press Alt 2. If you have 3 or more angles, just do the same, press Alt 3 and so on. If you want to switch angle, let's say here you want angle 1, here you want angle 2, and you want to put angle 1 back here, you need to use your blade tool. Just press B, split your clip, and you can switch each clip's angle by pressing Alt plus the angle number for each clips. In this video, I'm sharing a bonus tip. If you notice, every time you switch angle, the audio change. What if the audio from angle 1 was noisy and you want to use the audio from angle 2 only? Before you split or cut your multicam footage, unlink your audio. So, right click and then unlink. Select your audio clip. Change the angle if needed. Let's say I want to use the audio of angle 2 because it was better than angle 1, so press Alt 2. After that, make sure you still selected your audio clip. Right click and click new compound clip. Click Create. Once your audio clip becomes a compound clip, select both your audio and video. Right click and link it again. That way, every time you switch angles in your video, the audio stays the same. And that's all about multicam editing in DaVinci Resolve. I hope I am able to help you on your editing journey. If you have questions, feel free to drop your comments down below. If you want more tutorials in DaVinci, feel free to explore the playlist I created. All are straightforward tutorials because I don't want to waste your time. And most importantly, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.